Hey, this is Dale Simpson with Southern Exposure Home Inspection and Construction, and we're under another crawl space area that has some defects that I'd like to show you. One of them being this crawl space is heavily saturated with moisture, and that's normally due to defective gutters or exterior surface water draining to the crawl space. And as you can see along this foundation, you can see how much water is entering this crawl space during the rain, which looks like about 10 inches of water. And they tried to correct the problem by adding a sump pump, but the sump pump was installed incorrectly, and it looks like it was put into a plastic bucket that you normally use to keep your kids' toys in. And I tested the sump pump just to see if it would work, because there is a lot of water in here, and it didn't work. So the sump pump definitely needs to be replaced. And this whole thing needs to be corrected by a qualified contractor. And with this heavy saturation of moisture, you can see on the back side of this foundation, we have a pretty excessive vertical crack located in the foundation that extends from the ground, which will be right at the footing, all the way up to the floor joists. This is normally due to heavy saturated soil, which we see, and it causes the soil not to be able to support the concrete footing, which puts added stress on the concrete footing, causing it to crack. And the indicator is it can't support the brick foundation, so it cracks, causing a domino effect. And another defect we have in here is this dryer vent. It's sagging, which will allow the lint to build up in the pipe, causing the moisture from the dryer not to vent to the exterior as designed. And it also can cause your dryer to work harder. If this pipe was to be clogged up, the moisture can't get out, so it makes the dryer work harder and can be a possible fire hazard. The best correction for this situation is in calling a qualified contractor to install a solid metal pipe and extend it to the exterior. And that is it for now. We'll see you on the next one.